Welcome to the fascinating world of eukaryotic microorganisms. These tiny organisms, invisible to the naked eye, play a crucial role in our ecosystem and have a profound impact on human health. Eukaryotic microorganisms are characterized by their complex cell structure, which includes a true nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles. This distinguishes them from prokaryotic microorganisms, such as bacteria, which lack these complex structures. In this essay, we will delve into the diverse world of eukaryotic microorganisms, focusing on 5 major groups: fungi, algae, protozoa, slime molds, and helminths. We will explore their unique characteristics, reproductive methods, and their impact on human health, with a particular emphasis on the implications for nursing students. Understanding these microscopic wonders is essential for aspiring nurses, as it forms the foundation for infection control, disease prevention, and patient care. So let's begin our exploration of these fascinating organisms. Fungi are a diverse group of eukaryotic organisms that play a vital role in our ecosystem. They are heterotrophic, meaning they obtain nutrients by absorbing organic matter from their surroundings. Fungi can be found in various forms, including yeasts, molds, and mushrooms. Yeasts are single-celled fungi that reproduce asexually by budding, where a new cell grows as an outgrowth from the parent cell. Molds, on the other hand, are multicellular fungi composed of thread-like structures called hyphae. They reproduce both asexually and sexually, producing spores that can disperse and germinate into new individuals. Mushrooms are the fruiting bodies of certain types of fungi, often found growing on decaying organic matter. They produce spores sexually, which are dispersed by wind or animals. Fungi play a crucial role in decomposition, nutrient cycling, and even food production. However, some fungi can also cause diseases in humans, known as mycoses. Fungal infections, also known as mycoses, pose a significant health concern, particularly for individuals with weakened immune systems. These infections can range from superficial infections affecting the skin, hair, and nails, to invasive infections affecting internal organs. Histoplasmosis, for example, is a respiratory infection caused by the fungus found in soil contaminated with bird or bat droppings. Cryptococcosis, caused by, is another serious fungal infection that affects the lungs and central nervous system. Candidiasis, caused by the yeast, is a common fungal infection that can affect various parts of the body, including the mouth, skin, and genitals. It is crucial for nursing students to be aware of these fungal infections, their modes of transmission, and preventive measures to ensure patient safety and prevent the spread of these infections in healthcare settings. Algae are a diverse group of photosynthetic organisms that play a crucial role in aquatic ecosystems. They are primary producers, meaning they convert sunlight into organic matter, forming the base of the food chain. Algae exhibit a wide range of diversity, from microscopic single-celled organisms to large multicellular seaweeds. They are classified based on their pigmentation, including green algae, red algae, brown algae, and diatoms. Algae reproduce both asexually and sexually, with some species alternating between these modes of reproduction throughout their life cycle. While most algae are beneficial, some species can produce toxins that harm humans and animals. Harmful algal blooms, HABs, often referred to as red tides, occur when certain types of algae grow excessively in water bodies, depleting oxygen and releasing toxins that can contaminate seafood and pose risks to human health. Understanding the role of algae in water systems and the potential hazards of HABs is crucial for nurses, especially those working in communities reliant on seafood or affected by water quality issues. Section 5. Protozoans, single-celled organisms with a big impact. Protozoans are diverse, single-celled eukaryotic organisms that inhabit various environments, including water and soil. They are heterotrophic, obtaining nutrients by engulfing other microorganisms or organic matter. Protozoans exhibit various modes of movement, including cilia, which are hair-like structures, flagella, which are whip-like structures, and pseudopodia, which are temporary extensions of the cell membrane. These microscopic creatures play significant roles in food webs and nutrient cycling. However, some protozoans are parasitic, causing diseases in humans and animals. Malaria, caused by the parasite transmitted through mosquito bites, is a life-threatening disease that affects millions worldwide. Giardiasis, caused by, is an intestinal infection that causes diarrhea, abdominal cramps, and bloating. Amoebic dysentery, intestinal infection that can lead to severe diarrhea and dehydration. Understanding the life cycles, modes of transmission, and symptoms of protozoan infections is crucial for nurses in providing appropriate, preventing transmission, and educating patients on preventive measures. Section 6. Slime molds, nature's tiny blob engineers. Slime molds are fascinating eukaryotic organisms that exhibit both animal-like and fungus-like characteristics throughout their life cycle. They exist as free-living, single-celled amoebae in their feeding stage, engulfing bacteria and other microorganisms. When food becomes scarce, these amoebae aggregate, forming a multicellular slug-like structure that moves in search of more favorable conditions. This slug eventually transforms into a fruiting body that produces spores, similar to fungi. These spores disperse and germinate into new amoebae, completing the slime mold life cycle. While slime molds do not directly cause diseases in humans, they play essential roles in nutrient cycling and soil ecology. Section 7. Helminths, parasitic worms, and their impact on human health. Helminths, commonly known as parasitic worms, are multicellular organisms that live in and feed off of a host, causing diseases known as helminthiases. These worms are typically classified into three groups: roundworms, flatworms, and thorny-headed worms. Helminths have complex life cycles, often involving multiple hosts. Tapeworms, for example, are flatworms that live in the intestines of animals and humans. They have segmented bodies that release eggs and feces, contaminating soil and water. Hookworms, another type of roundworm, enter the body through bare feet and migrate to the intestines, causing anemia and malnutrition. Ascaris, a large roundworm, can cause intestinal blockages and impair nutrient absorption. Understanding the life cycles, modes of transmission, and symptoms of helminth infections is crucial for nurses in providing proper diagnosis, treatment, and patient education on hygiene and sanitation practices to prevent infection. Section 8. The importance of microorganisms in nursing practice. Understanding the world of eukaryotic microorganisms is paramount for nursing students and practicing nurses. These microscopic organisms play a crucial role in human health, both as beneficial members of our microbiota and as potential pathogens. Nurses need a strong foundation in microbiology to understand the principles of infection control, implement appropriate hygiene practices, and prevent the spread of infectious diseases in healthcare settings. Knowledge of common fungal infections, such as candidiasis, is crucial for providing proper wound care, managing catheters, and caring for immunocompromised patients. Understanding the life cycles and transmission routes of protozoan parasites, such as Plasmodium, malaria, and giardiasis, is essential for nurses working in public health, educating patients on preventative measures, and recognizing symptoms to ensure timely diagnosis and treatment. Furthermore, recognizing the signs and symptoms of helminth infections, such as tapeworms and hookworms, is crucial for nurses to provide appropriate care, educate patients on hygiene and sanitation practices, and implement control measures to prevent the spread of these parasites. Section 9. Conclusion. The ever-evolving world of microorganisms. The world of eukaryotic microorganisms is vast and constantly evolving, presenting both challenges and opportunities in healthcare. As our understanding of these microorganisms deepens, so too does our ability to develop effective diagnostic tools, treatments, and preventative measures. For nursing students, a strong foundation in microbiology is not merely an academic requirement, but an essential tool for providing safe, effective, and compassionate patient care. By understanding the characteristics, life cycles, and potential impact of these microscopic wonders, nurses can play a vital role in preventing the spread of infectious diseases, improving patient outcomes, and promoting public health. As we move forward, continued research and education in microbiology will be crucial for nurses to stay abreast of emerging infectious diseases, antibiotic resistance, and the ever-changing landscape of the microbial world.